The most powerful jaws. Get ready to discover the top 10 animals with the most powerful jaws in the animal kingdom. From sharp-toothed predators to armored giants, these creatures possess some of the strongest bites in the world. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what makes their jaws so formidable. 10. Gray wolf. The gray wolf has a bite force of up to 2,790 newtons per square centimeter, which it uses to bite through the thick hides of large prey, such as bison and elk. 9th. Bull shark. The bull shark has a bite force of up to 4,179 newtons per square centimeter, which it uses to catch and eat a variety of prey, including fish, turtles, and even other sharks. 8th. African lion. The African lion has a bite force of up to 4,521 newtons per square centimeter, which it uses to suffocate its prey by crushing their windpipe. 7th. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon has a bite force of up to 5,592 newtons per square centimeter, which it uses to take down large prey, such as deer and water buffalo. 6th. Polar bear. The polar bear has a bite force of up to 8,482 newtons per square centimeter, which it uses to catch and kill its prey. 5th. Gorilla. The gorilla has a bite force of up to 9,038 newtons per square centimeter, which is strong enough to crack open hard nuts and seeds. 4th. Jaguar. The jaguar has a bite force of up to 10,432 newtons per square centimeter, which it uses to crush the skulls of its prey. 3rd. Hippopotamus. Despite having a mostly herbivorous diet, the hippopotamus has incredibly powerful jaws, with a bite force of up to 12,671 newtons per square centimeter. 2nd. American alligator. The American alligator has a bite force of up to 14,766 newtons per square centimeter, making it one of the most powerful biters in the animal kingdom. 1st. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile has the strongest bite of any animal, with a bite force of up to 16,460 newtons per square centimeter. In conclusion, the animal kingdom is filled with fascinating creatures, and those with the most powerful jaws are certainly among the most impressive. From the saltwater crocodile to the great white shark, these animals are not only incredible to behold, but also play important roles in their respective ecosystems.